Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do Superscript in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do Superscript in Canva, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first. Then after opening the Canva app, you just simply have to create a project or open an existing project into your Canva. Now I'm creating this new project. Now in order to create or do superscript or subscript, you just simply have to go to text section and then add a text into your Canva project. But as you can see here, there is no option for superscript into Canva. So in this case, you just simply have to make two different texts and change their size. For example, I'm making formula for a square plus b square into my Canva. And in order to do that, just simply write down a plus b first and now put this superscript into here differently. Now add another text, but this time make it slightly smaller. And as you can see here, my superscript is created this way because Canva doesn't provide a superscript automation option, so you have to do it manually. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.